So this is my grandmother's bird. This is Rico. You can't really see him. He's green. Hi, Rico. Howdy. Howdy, Rico. Yeah, sometimes he comes up and shakes your finger. Anyways, he's in a car. Then this is Joe, who doesn't really like people. He's hiding. You can see his tail. Right. There we go. Right there. He talks sometimes. He has a tumor in his stomach and his beak is split. This is Mike and Ike. And they're fairly new because my grandmother just took them in because they're being neglected. Instead of having cats, she has birds. Oh, Joe's telling me off. Oh, he just hopped back in there. Joe? Joe's a pretty bird.
Okay.
So that's Mike and Ike. Then this is Oscar. Oh, light. Thank you. This is Oscar. He talks too. And then this is the evil looking one who doesn't like me at all because my Papa, my grandfather, loves me more than her and she's a little jealous. So she hisses at me a lot and yeah, she doesn't like me and all her feathers. Well, it's okay. It's okay. There you go. So this bird is special. Now you can see he's green. So, Rico, can you do mean dog? Oh, he's not going to do it. I want to get him to laugh.
Good job.
Good job, Rico. Yes. Okay, and then, oh, he sings opera. Hey, Rico. Howdy, Rico. Hi. I am the Rico Bico.
Rico.
Yeah. Good job, Rico. Rico spell. Rico spell. R-I.
Rico.
And then he stops. Because the bird's a little bit retarded. I am the Rico. Good job, Rico. And then Dino does a lot of, she swears. She makes noises like the phone ringing and she answers the phone when it rings. Hello? But she, like I said, she doesn't like me, so she won't talk to me. Yeah. Pretty good. Oscar talks. He tells you to come here when he wants you, and he says names. Like he says my mother's name. That's an evil bird. And Mike and Ike, we had a whistling match just a little bit ago. But they won't do it. And Joe says my lovebird, he says their parents' names. Chadwick! But it's only when he's covered. He's kind of weird like that. And he also says I love you. And Joe's a pretty bird. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because I feel like I'm not talking about anything fun. So, howdy, Rico. Oh, you're not gonna do it, you dumb bird.
Hi, Rico.
Hi, Rico.
Hi, Rico. Hi, Rico.
Hi, Rico.
Hi, Rico.
Hi, Rico. He screams for help a lot. I don't know why. He's like legit retarded. And this is my nemesis. So I'm just gonna go before you hiss at me. What you doing? Work, work. Yeah, see, she doesn't like me. She hates me. Oh, Rico just said quiet. So, I'm gonna go now. Peace out.